we have our next and final level I'm going to talk about, which is condition-based maintenance. Now, condition-based maintenance is somewhat of a newer concept. Have anybody here that mentioned they knew something about maintenance and gave me some feedback, had any of you in this room ever heard of the term condition-based maintenance? You have? Okay. Anybody else? A couple people have heard, most have not. Condition-based maintenance is the thing that requires a little bit higher technical skill sets to deal with because it requires more subjectivity interpretation of data, but it is becoming a wonderful thing for industry because it saves us lots of money. It allows us to focus on things that need focusing on. I call it, don't fix it if it's not broke. That's sort of what condition-based maintenance is. This strategy is also called predictive maintenance. It's an extension of preventative maintenance.